In this lecture, we'll be exploring some of the common methods available for container objects. Container objects are sets, lists, tuples. So here we have a set, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's assigned to a variable I. Then we have created another variable j, and there we are assigning this set. So if we print both of them, they will have the same value. Now we have another method called reversed, which basically returns an iterator, and the result set will be reversed. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you want to convert that to a list, you can make use of the list method, and that will be converted. And here we are assigning it to a variable L. Then we have some of the methods which work on containers, like len, which will give you the length, that is the number of items in a given list or set or tuple. And then we have sum method, which when applied basically returns the sum of all the integers that are available in the set. And if you want to find out the maximum or minimum, then you can make use of max, min respectively. And if you want to go with Boolean type of set where the values are either 0 or 1 or all 0. So here when we say all result set, basically this is going to return false because all these values are false. And if all of them is converted to 1, this is going to return true. And another method for the same is any. So if any of the values is set to true, for instance over here, if I just set it to 1 and then save this, and when we'll run this one, we'll get the result as true. Then we have another method called zip, which basically concatenates it based on the index position. So we have 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. When we'll use zip and print it like this, it will print it 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Next we have enumerate, which when applied on string sets basically prints the index as well as the value. So here when we are saying ABC and we are printing, it will print the index value 0, then A, 1, then B, 2, then C. So let's go ahead and execute it now. And here you'll see the first is the set that we defined I, then J was basically assigned I itself. Then we had K as reversed, so that is being printed over here. Then we have the list, reversed list, which was used from the reversed iterator, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The length method now returns the length, that is total number of elements in the list, that is 6. Sum of these numbers is 21, max number is 6, min is 1, and then as I mentioned, any, and here you can see 0, 1, 0. So any basically is returning true because there's at least one value which is true in the set. And then we have the zip 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 and enumerate as 0, A, 1, B, 2, C. If I make all the values of this as 0, and here if I make use of the all method and save this and now run it, you'll notice it is printing false. So these were some of the common container methods in Python.